Thank you.
Capiche?
Capiche.
In the little Ituri forest, which is home to lots of animals that use camouflage to disguise themselves from their predators and to blend into their surroundings. So it can occasionally be difficult to spot anything over here, but we usually have some pretty good luck. Hopefully right now we do. Let's see how well we fare. Now I only have one rule on the safari, and it is please do not stand these endangered species that we see here.
Oh.
Lots of the species that we see here are endangered. No two giraffes share the same design on their coats. Each giraffe has its own unique pattern, which is cool. Just like we have with fingerprints, zebras, it's the same story. Other animals as well, but those are the ones that I know for sure.
Why are some of the trees wrapped with chicken wire?
Some of the trees are wrapped with chicken wire because it helps to maintain. How do I say this? It helps to maintain that the animals don't like. It has to do with animals eating leaves off of trees. The Disney team tries to regulate their diets as healthily as they can, and I think it has something to do with the leaves that we let them have access to. I believe. Don't quote me on that. There are still, to this day, about 96 elephant poachings that happen every single day in the wild. 96 for the ivory in their tusks. Again, the human being, we find a way. So there's no real positive way, I guess, for me to end that story, but the elephants still have a long way to go before they're totally in the clear. Over here on the left, these are greater flamingo, which are the lightest pink and the largest flamingos in the world. They get their pink coloring from all the shrimp that they eat. Shrimp and carotene is what turns their feathers pink.
Que lindo.
Without it, they would be like a whitish gray color. My sister, black with white stripes. The skin underneath their coats is black, and then the white stripes sort of grow over that. They have incredibly powerful hind kicks. In fact, if a lion attacked the zebra from behind and the zebra kicked out with its back legs, it would break the lion's jaw. Cool. You can find videos on YouTube of Walt talking about eco-friendliness and going green and conservation and environmentality. And we lost Walt in 1966. So obviously he was a visionary, but he really...
Olha isso, gente. Não dá pra mostrar pra vocês a altura. Não dá, mas...